So, why study SQL? Put yourself in the shoes of an employee or a manager of a company who works with large amounts of data. For example, you could be working in business intelligence, BI, data science, database administration, or back-end web development. Any of these jobs relate to storing large amounts of data. Therefore, before carrying out any analysis with the data, you will have to retrieve it. As a consequence, the focus of our course is namely on developing the skills required to solve business analytical problems and applying solutions in a software that allows you to extract the desired information from the database. To achieve all this, you need SQL. SQL means Structured Query Language. It is a programming language specifically designed for working with databases. It allows you to create, manipulate, and share data, especially data from relational database management systems. The way to tell the computer to extract information from the database for you is by writing queries in SQL. A query, pronounced query or query, is a piece of code inducing the computer to execute a certain operation that will deliver the desired output. The latter process is called querying the database. Briefly, SQL is the language that allows you to write queries that the computer can execute and then provide database insights in return. The good thing about SQL is it is an intuitive and easy-to-learn language. Be careful, as this does not mean using it will be a simple task. Not at all. Sometimes the business problems you must solve will be peculiar and will involve the processing of large amounts of data. Despite being relatively simple in its structure, SQL can be powerful while computing very complex tasks. This is why, in this course, we provide the raw skills you'll need to become a web programmer, a data analyst, a data scientist, or a business intelligence analyst. The idea is to combine video lessons and advanced exercises that will show you SQL's cool and fun to work with. And if for some strange reason you are still wondering whether SQL is a programming language worth having in your skill set, let me show you the following statistics. A TechWorm study shows SQL is the most demanded programming language for 2017, in general, not in a specific sector. Indeed.com shared the same information for 2016. Indeed.com also ranks SQL high when related to lucrative job positions. It is true. Sometimes these kinds of studies are indeed biased. So, let's change the question and refer to a study conducted by Stack Overflow, where they asked over 56,000 developers in 173 countries, which are the most used technologies. The top three are 1. JavaScript, 55.4%, 2. SQL, 49.1%, 3. Java, 36.3%. Therefore, SQL is a highly demanded skill in the job market, no matter how you look at it. Stay tuned for the next video to understand what it is and why it is the most suitable software environment for this course. Thanks for watching.